Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So for your moon energies, we are picking one card. We will see what it is as we proceed, Libras. So we have moon in reverse, six of moons in reverse and fool in reverse. So Libras, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, you feel stuck in some ways, guys, unable to decide something for yourself. Maybe you need to make a choice, a right decision today, but you are really confused. You don't know what to do, and there are a lot of distractions you have today in your circumstances. It may be some habits you have, or it may be people, they are there in your life, so they are not accepting your views and ideas and they are opposing you in some ways. That is really causing a lot of stress for you. You are quite anxious about the way things are going, and you are unable to decide what will be the right thing for you. For your work situation, maybe some choices, maybe what will be the next project or what will be the next path or next action, whatever it is. And even in this relationship, guys, you have a lot of things on your mind. Maybe the past, whatever has happened, is simply making you really sad and stressed. You don't want things to repeat again the same way, and you do not know the truth. You do not know where things are going or what is the truth in this person's heart, and they are not telling you something, maybe, guys, and this person has something important to tell you and they are hiding something. Maybe their true feelings or their true emotions, intentions, or what are their dreams or what are their plans for the future. So you feel that you lack that information or knowledge about this person. That may be the reason you are quite anxious. You don't know where this person is going to go, or what will be their choice, or whether they will choose you, or whether they will change. So some kind of you have that uncertainty in your circumstances, guys, Libras, and even in your career situation. You don't know where things are going. Maybe you may see some delays, suspensions, and you do not see any positive change in your future, and you have lost hope or faith for your future. So some kind of disappointments and stress is there in your situation, guys. So let's see what is your moon energy card, Libras. Take time to breathe out. Just an apt card for you all, guys, for your circumstances. So whatever your circumstance may be today, Libras, whatever it is, you need to try to accept the way things are going now. Give yourself time, give that other person also that time. You need to relax yourself, guys. And this may be the situation where you need to learn from your experiences and think ahead, think of the future and move ahead. And take a deep breath. Maybe you have failed on something or you are seeing some obstacle. You need to understand your situation, learn the lessons, but move forward. You must think and act differently. That is going to help you in your future, guys. So, you need to understand that life is a cycle, guys. Sometimes there will be good, sometimes there will be bad. So it goes in that form. So we need not worry about what is happening right now. We must just look forward to the future. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Libras, for your reading today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Libra, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is, we are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.